this video I'm going to show you how to make a transparent circle in Google Slides. So as you can see, I have already created a circle, and if I move it over the text, you can see through the circle. So we'll move it back, click on the slide, and now I will show you how to create it. We will go to the shape, then go to shapes. After that we will go to the oval. We will select it, and if you press your shift key and hold your left mouse button, then you will draw a perfect circle. Now you have created the circle, but you can see there is still a color inside. What we need to do now is go to borders, and we will make it a little bit thicker. Choose 4 points, and after that we can choose the border color. Let's say we want to make it red. Select the red color. Now you have changed the border color, and now we only need to remove this color inside. You can click on fill color, and there is an option of transparent. Select it, and now you have removed the inside color. If you move it now over the text, you can see through the circle. And this is how you make a transparent circle in Google Slides.